Hey, what's up? You're probably not going to like what I'm about to say. If you're a sensitive peddler, you might want to click off this page since I'm not going to mince my words. See, I'm betting you're pretty much a failure when it comes to making money online. You're clueless, am I right? Be honest, you've pretty much failed at everything you've tried so far online. You're not getting anywhere. And it's crunch time. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how I generated hundreds of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions thanks to these stupid little websites that run across several networks all by themselves. These include Amazon, Google, and even ClickBank. Maybe I can stop you from being such a failure by the end of this video by showing you exactly how to get rich. Who knows? But there is hope. But first, let me make a few more assumptions. You're running out of money for starters, and you're almost broke. And your wife or lover or significant other is starting to bust your balls over it. You're full of self-doubt. You've invested a bunch of money and a significant amount of time online into products and services. And the fact is, you're going nowhere. You're stalled. Nothing's happening. Every day you check your earnings, and it's always zip. Nada. You're not getting a return on your investment. Maybe you're beginning to hear that song in your head. I'm a loser, baby, so why don't you kill me? Are you tired of not being able to make any money online? Pissed off that the other dudes seem to be able to do it, but you can't? And now you're running around in circles like a headless chicken, flapping your wings, going nowhere. Is that you, Gomer? Have you just about given up on making money online, ready to throw in the towel and admit defeat? Or maybe you're spending your nights on internet marketing forums, trying to get a clue and whining about how nothing works, how you're not making any money, how you're beginning to think online marketing is a big scam and the evil gurus are taking you for a ride. Poor loser you. Are you busted ass broke yet? You've been buying system after system? That you, dude? You one of those poor saps chasing the dream of making big money online for very little work? The money and the headlights, buying program after program, system after system, hoping, praying that this time you'll crack it. Reading page after page where you're told only 256 of these will be sold at $37. Ah, please. Did you fall for that one too? You're truly dumb if you believe that garbage. You know that? That's how these guys are getting rich, peddling their pipe dreams to gullible chumps like you. Yeah, go ahead. Click off this page. You're all hurt now. I've offended you. Poor you, listen. I couldn't care less. If I've touched a nerve and you're all hurt and feeling sorry for yourself, bad luck. This isn't kindergarten. Nobody's going to give you a kiss and a cuddle and make it all better. Make the nasty goo-goos go away. So go ahead, you wabbit. Click off. This isn't for tire kickers anyway. I haven't got time to babysit a bunch of whiners without sounding like an arrogant bastard. I am making ridiculous amounts of money online. Yeah, some of us do, you know. You need to think of me as a parent that knows what's best for their child. In fact, think of me as a doctor, and you're my patient. Luckily for you, there is a cure. So, if you can swallow your precious pride and your dented ego and stop feeling sorry for yourself, then listen up. I'll show you how to make real money online.